Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Dan from DHTV, and today I'm going to be showing you how to switch on your iPhone 16 and how to turn off your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, or 16 Plus. Let's get started. All right, so I've got the iPhone 16 Pro here, but like I said, this will work for pretty much any iPhone 16, even older iPhones. But first, let's go with powering down the iPhone 16 Pro here. So you're going to press and hold on that side button or power button, and at the same time, you're going to press and hold on one of the volume rockers. Do that until you see the icon appear that says slide to power down. Go ahead and do that, slide to power down, and that's it. You've turned off your iPhone 16. Now, when you want to turn on your iPhone, this time you're just going to press and hold on that side button until you see the Apple logo appear on screen. Once you see the Apple logo, it's going to take about 30 seconds to start back up, but that's all dependent on how much stuff you had on your phone, which iPhone you're turning on. Just give it a few seconds, and when you see your lock screen appear, you can swipe to unlock it, enter your passcode, and you've turned on your iPhone 16 Pro. Now, Apple did add another option here if you want to power down or turn off your iPhone 16 Pro. You do need iOS 18, but it's right here in Control Center. You can see this little option. Just hold your finger on that, and you'll see the slide to power off option. You can slide to power it off, and once again, you've turned off your iPhone. So that's how you turn off your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or Plus. This will work with even older iPhones as well, and how you turn them on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell notification box to be notified when I post new videos. And if you're looking to learn more about your iPhone, check out the iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorial series I have. It'll give you everything you need to know about the iPhones to get the most out of them. The link to that is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.